Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for June 13th, 2017. For your Tuesday, we expect this to be the last day of the current heat wave, and we're going to have this backdoor front that you can see just off to the north here. Is going to be backing down to the southwest, and it's going to out ahead of it. You'll have an opportunity for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. This is going to be just across the far northern areas, though, as this frontal boundary moves off in this direction. And this is, again, just across northeastern PA, for the most part, is what we're looking at for storms today. Elsewhere, we're expecting temperatures to be in the lower to middle 90s once again. Some heat advisories in effect down here in the Philadelphia metro up into the New York City metro. The normal places around the metro areas of I-95 will see temperatures in the mid-90s with heat indices near 100 today, as in this the final day of the 3-day heat wave. Let's go to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. I'm going to start this off at 3 p.m. Again, very far northern counties in Pennsylvania are looking for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, and that will move down to the south a little bit. Here's 5 p.m., 6 p.m. You can see it just kind of falls apart over northeastern PA. It doesn't really do anything else beyond that. Can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm, though, in the central sections, but I really think this is a northeast PA deal. And then once we get to 8 p.m., it's pretty much wrapped up. You got a few stray storms out here in central PA that will dissolve right around or just after midnight, and that goes away as well. So that's all we have for storms today, and just northeastern Pennsylvania we're dealing with those storms, it looks like, for the most part. And then after that, we get to Wednesday here. Again, the backdoor front is going to be shifting off to the south and west, so it looks like most of Wednesday, because of this front being out in this direction like this, will be cooler, and that's because you have, of course, high pressure building in, and the winds are going to be coming in from the northeast instead of southwest like they have been all week. So this is going to mean temperatures cooler, not cold, but cooler than what they've been by about 10 degrees or so off of the highs from today to the highs on Wednesday. Now, any shower activity should be on the leeward side of the front, as this is pressing down south to the southwest, so that should be out of our coverage area, we think, here on Wednesday. Maybe an early shower on Wednesday. That's not an impossible thing, but very early in the morning. And then the front, as it shifts to the southwest, will take those showers with it. And then we get to Thursday. The front's going to start trying to creep back northward as a warm front, but I think that comes through. That's going to be over the weekend. This front should primarily be off to the west, just like we've showed here on Wednesday. So this is looking at Thursday, same deal. Now you now have high pressure in the Gulf of Maine, so instead of having winds out of the northeast, you're now talking about southeasterly winds on Thursday. So temperatures are going to be a little bit cooler as a result of that. You might have upper 70s to near 80 for a high here on Thursday. And then we get into some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, this front is going to move back northward or northeastward as a warm front, and it's the same front that moved through as the backdoor cold fronters are expected to later today. Is going to move back as a warm front here as we get into Friday. And let me get to that image here. And there could be a few scattered showers and thunderstorms with that front as it tries to move back northward here on Friday. We're also going to allow for an isolated thunderstorm here on Saturday. This keeps jumping around on me. You have to bear with me a second. On Saturday, it looks like there could be an isolated thunderstorm ahead of this cold front, which is out to the west here. There could be a what's called a prefrontal trough. So along this prefrontal trough axis, there could be an isolated thunderstorm out ahead of it. So that we'll watch for that here on Saturday. Otherwise, Saturday doesn't look too bad right now, as far as it's not going to be a total washout. None of these 3 days here on the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, are going to be a total washout either way. But the actual cold front looks like it's going to come through here on Sunday or later Sunday. Could be some scattered showers and thunderstorms later in the day here on Sunday as well. And then a reinforcing front comes through on Monday with more scattered showers and thunderstorms possible. And that will be Monday afternoon and evening most likely, as that secondary front moves through. So several chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms, but at no point are we talking about a washout here and just a rainy, dreary, cloudy day all day long. Your best chance for that would be here on Friday to have some have a more clouds than sun type of day, when I think you can get scattered showers at about any time here on Friday. But after that, aside from that, this weekend it's just more so isolated on Saturday, and then a little scattered later in the day on Sunday, it looks like. So most of the weekend looks dry at this point. It just have those couple opportunities for scattered showers and thunderstorms. I think we can deal with that. Just it'll still be warm over this weekend with temperatures going back up after taking a slight step back here Thursday and Friday. We're going to go back up into the 80s over the weekend, maybe upper 80s by Sunday before that front comes through. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martridge. That is your outlook for June 13th, 2017. Have a great Tuesday.